Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and it is Froggy Friday. This is a collaboration hosted by Lisa at Girl in the Garage, Lula at Nerd Goblin Art, Karen at the Dragon's Cave, with assistance from Tim, the Base Resonator, and Gert at Gert Creates. So I am going to try my princely crown frog. And hopefully I will not get the bubbles in the crown this time. So I am using the Rolio pigments. And this time, whoops, I am going to, so I made up some resin. Just putting on my gloves before I grab it. Excuse me. So this time I am going to use a pipette, whatever you want to call them, to get down into the little blobs of the crown. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna poke around in there and hope that I got all of the stuff. And then just finish filling it. Alrighty. So now that I've gotten that done, I am going to put this in my, so I have the original Resiners curing machine, and I also have the Resiners tumbler curing machine. So because this is so high, if I put it in the regular resin curing machine, I have to put like like one of these, that you would put over your food to keep warm. Or I put it in the resin tumbler tumbler curing machine, and then just kind of plug up the holes where the tumbler arms fit through. So I'll do one of the two, and then I will let this cure. And then I will, this is Bond Craftor 1-to-1 resin, by the way. And then I will do the frog. So I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so I have mixed up 200 mils of the Bond Craftor 1-to-1. And I am going to get to use my Bells of Ireland from Laura's Art Corner. You guys gotta check her stuff out. It's amazing. All right, so now, okay. All right. I'm gonna mix this in, but I am going to use my Let's Resin So I'm going to use my Resiner's dual-headed mixer once I get the majority of this mixed in. I want to make sure that it's all mixed up, and then once I get this all mixed up, I will put it in my Let's Resin debubbler. Okay. Alrighty. I will be back when this is mixed and debubbled. Okay. Okay, it's time for demold. Oh my God, really? And it's the one right above his head. Okay, so I tried to fix him. It looks wonky. It is what it is. So I'm gonna paint the eyes real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Abier metallic acrylic ink. And okay, that's not gonna work. All right, marker it is. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to paint the slits in his eyes. Okay, so I am using some Shuttle Art Color Change Yellow Flash. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry and put a little UV on it. And then I will do some glamour shots. Okay. Okay, so here is my prepared prints. Okay, if you could do me a favor and check out the playlist in the description below, you can have a wonderful binge watch of all of the creations. Like the video if you would please do so. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think of my repair job. Oh, I'm gonna do this right one time. This crown is gonna get done right. Mark my words. Subscribe if you're not already. I will put the QR codes for the Buy Me a Coffee and the YouTube subscription on the screen, and I will take some glamour shots, and I'll see you for the next video. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.